All right, here's another problem from chapter 2. This was an acetone spill, and it wanted you to calculate the final answer was acetone concentration in micrograms per cubic meter. And so they're giving you the size of the room that it was spilled in. And so the first thing I'll do is calculate the volume of the room in cubic meters. So you just multiply those three together. 5.63 times 3.68 times 3.16. That volume is 65.47 cubic meters. That's more significant figures than we need here, but I'm going to go ahead and keep them because I'm in the middle of calculating a problem, and that's just good practice. So that's our per cubic meter. Now we want the acetone concentration in micrograms. The little mg is milligrams, so we've got 2450 milligrams, but we need to change that to micrograms. And there are a couple of methods of doing that. I think probably the easiest is to remember from our metric prefixes from the first chapter. There are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram, and there are 1,000,000, which is 1 times 10 to the 6th, micrograms in 1 gram. Since they are both equal to 1 gram, this is how many are equal to each other. So I can convert milligrams to micrograms because there are 1,000 milligrams in 1,000,000, 1 times 10 to the 6th micrograms, and that will convert from milligrams to micrograms. Oops. Always something. I can't move that without moving that. All right. So let me see if I can grab it. There we go. All right, get that out of the way. So let's calculate our micrograms, 2450 times, not divided by, but times 1,000,000, 1 times 10 to the 6. You can either type it out as 1,000,000 or type in 1 EE6 divided by 1,000. And so that is 2450000. We can put this in scientific notation already. We are going to have to put our answer in scientific notation. This is 2.45 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 micrograms. All right, so now let's calculate the concentration in micrograms per cubic meter. So it will be that many micrograms divided by that many cubic meters. Let's see if I can punch it in right. And that's all there is to it. So divided by 65.47 equals, I get 37,421, ... Again, more significant figures than I need, but this is micrograms per cubic meter. To put it in scientific notation, the decimals here, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So 3.74 times 10 to the 4th. So if I look here at this answer, it's 3.74 times 10 to the 4th. We're ignoring everything after the plus and minus because, again, that's the computer saying, well, we'll give you a little wiggle room on those numbers. Not a whole lot of wiggle room needed on these. If there are other of these problems back from quiz 1, quiz 2, chapter 1, chapter 2, please post them on the discussion board and we'll do her.